Gouri Amma. Welcome to our channel. Here we are introducing 10 questions which is having the same answer. Gouri Amma, which is very useful for your Kerala PSC examinations and other competitive exams. Who is the first revenue minister of Kerala? It's Gouri Amma. Who is the Iron Lady in Kerala politics? So the Iron Lady is the same person, the one and only Gouri Amma. First minister couple in Kerala politics, Gouri Amma and T.V. Thomas. T.V. Thomas is the first transportation minister. Who is the founder of Janadipatya Samrakshana Samiti, JSS? Gouri Amma. Atmakatha, which won 2011 Kerala Sahitya Akademi Award, and it is the autobiography of Gouri Amma. Who piloted the revolutionary land reforms bill in Kerala? Gouri Amma is a person who stands beyond this bill like a stone. Who is the first women minister of Kerala? Gouri Amma. Who is the longest serving women MLA in Kerala Legislative Assembly? Gouri Amma. Gouri Amma is the longest serving woman minister in Kerala. The longest serving MLA and the women minister both are Gouri Amma itself. Gouri Amma. Kalathiparambil Raman Gouri Amma. That's her full name. Born on 14 July 1919 and died on 11 May 2021. Thank you for watching. Hope you see you soon.